Hello everyone, welcome back to Naturalhub, where we dive into health and wellness to help you live your best life. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our weekly insights. Today we're exploring a crucial topic, foods that might increase the risk of dementia. Yes, what you eat can impact your brain health significantly. So, let's get into the top 5 foods you might consider avoiding or reducing in your diet. Stick around until the end for some healthier alternatives. Dementia is a broad term for a decline in cognitive function severe enough to interfere with daily life. It's not just about forgetfulness. It affects thinking, memory, and social abilities. Research shows that lifestyle factors, including diet, play a significant part in the risk of developing dementia. So, what are the foods that could be harmful to our brain health? Let's find out. Processed meats. Starting with number 5, processed meats. These are typically high in saturated fats and nitrates, which can contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress, potentially leading to cognitive decline. Studies suggest a strong link between high consumption of processed meats and an increased risk of dementia. 2. Refined sugars and carbs. Next up, refined sugars and carbohydrates. Foods like cakes, cookies, and white bread can cause spikes in blood sugar levels. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, which has been linked to cognitive decline. By reducing these in your diet, you might improve not only your waistline, but also your brain health. 3. Margarine and high trans fat foods. In the third spot, we have margarine and foods high in trans fats. These fats can promote inflammation and produce free radicals, both of which are bad news for brain health. Avoiding these fats is crucial for maintaining good neural function. 4. Fried foods. Number 2 is fried foods. Yes, they are delicious, but they are also high in fats that contribute to cholesterol buildup in your blood vessels, including those leading to your brain. This can impair cognitive functions and increase the risk of dementia. 5. Alcohol. And finally, at number 1, alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to a loss of brain volume and disrupt neurotransmitters, which are crucial for mental health. Moderate your alcohol intake to help protect your brain as you age. Replacing these risky foods with healthier options can make a big difference. Focus on a Mediterranean diet which is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil. This diet has been associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline and is delicious too. Thank you for watching. Remember, making small changes to your diet can lead to big benefits for your brain health. Don't forget to like, comment with your thoughts, and share this video with someone who might find it helpful. Subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you next time.